Namaste. Welcome to my quiz show. First of all, I would like to enroll or register my name as a participant. Here I would like to enter my name. Okay. Then after, here I would like to my upload photo as a participant. Yes, we are going to take part on preposition quiz. Here are some guidelines of the quiz. 35 sequential questions, CDC Nepal grade 2. The total number of questions 35, and the questions are based on grade 10 English Curriculum Development Center of Nepal. But not only for grade 10, it is equally useful for all the students of grade 6 to 12, as well as for those who are interested in learning English. 60 seconds for question limit. The maximum time limit for each question is 60 seconds or 1 minute. Automatic certificate generation at the end. Okay. After the completion of the quiz, a certificate will be generated automatically for you. Correct answers are shown immediately after an header. These are the general guidelines of the quiz. Now, let's start the quiz. Okay. Here you can see the number from 1 to 35. Here score 0 and countdown had started. Here the name of the participant and the image or photo of the participant. Okay, now time is going on. So let's go ahead. First question. The bridge is the Bagmati River. Here are 4 options. We have to choose the best one. Let me choose over. Correct. Question 1 has disappeared because we have already attempted it, and now we are in question 2. We are looking forward visiting Everest Base Camp. Let's think for a while. I think you have guessed the best option. I have also guessed. Let me say 2. Correct. Then let me go to question number 3. He was accused theft. The options are up, for, by, with. You have probably guessed the correct option. Me myself have also guessed the best option. Let me say up. Correct. Question 4. She is suffering a bad cold. These are the options. Okay. Let me say from. Correct. Question 5. Don't laugh others at, on, to, for. Have you guessed? Okay. My guess. Cat. Correct. Question 6. A small table is kept ... the two beds. Here we have to write the correct preposition. Let me type or write. You think yourself, please, between. Let me submit the answer. Correct. Now here I have the next question. The plane flew the clouds. Think for a while. The plane flew the clouds. I have thought. And let me write the correct preposition here in the blank. Through. Let me check whether my answer is correct or not by submitting. Correct. Next question is proficient English. You have to guess the correct preposition here. Have you guessed? Certainly, you have guessed. And let me say in. Let me check whether my answer is right or wrong. Submit. Correct. Here is another question. Are you satisfied that your progress? What may be the correct preposition here in the blank? Probably whipped. Yes, let me submit. Correct. Here is the another question for us. Smoking is injurious. Help. I think it's not so difficult. Having thought? Okay. I think the right preposition is to. Let me check by submitting it. Correct. Okay. The next one. He prefers tea, coffee. Let's think for a moment. He prefers tea, coffee. You might have guessed the correct preposition. I have also guessed. Let me say to. Let's check. Correct. Here is another one. Our school starts 10 a.m. Of course, at. Submit. Good. One more fill in the blanks problem. I haven't seen him last Monday. Have you guessed? Probably. And my answer is since. Let me submit my answer. Correct. Okay. Nepal lies India and China. Guessed. I have also guessed. Let me write between. Submit it. Correct. Another. He goes to school foot. Very common preposition. Have you thought? Yes. The correct answer is on. Okay. Here you have to choose. Click on the best one. All right. He died overeating from up. Let me say up. Wrong. The correct answer is up. Okay. I have lost 1 mark. She jumped the pool into in. Which may be the correct one? I think into. Correct. The boy sat his father besides. Okay? Okay. Beside. He is blind one eye. In, off. Blind in, blinder. I think blind off. Wrong. Okay, the correct answer is in. Let's go to the next one. Wait for me, the bus stop. At the bus stop, in the bus stop. Okay. What may be the correct preposition? Of course, at. In is used for small specific places like villages. True or false? Think for a moment. In is used for small specific places like villages. Okay. My answer is false. And next one. Among is used for more than two entities. True or false? Is used for more than two entities. Okay. I think it's true. We use since for a period of time. For a period of time, like 5 years, since. Is it so? Certainly not. Yes? So the true or false? Okay, false. By is used to indicate or deadline or agent. True, false? Yes, is true. Yeah. Off indicates separation or moving away. Separation or moving away. True or false? You might have guessed. I have guessed. It's true. Okay. Again, we have 4 options from where we have to choose. Prevent someone doing it. From, of, at, with. Surely, the correct preposition here is from. Listen carefully the lecture. To, at, on, in. Guess. Choose the correct preposition. Let me choose to. Correct. Good dancing. Good at dancing. Good in dancing. Good with dancing. Or good for dance. Yes? Okay. Good at dance. Belong Nepal. Belong to Nepal. Belong of Nepal. Belong from Nepal. Belong at Nepal. Yes. Let me say belong to Nepal. Full of water. Full of water. Full with water. Full by water. Full at water. The correct preposition here is full of water. Which preposition is used before months and years? Okay. Which preposition is used before months and years? There is a one-liner question. In, on, at, with, by, since, for, among, between, and so on. Which preposition is used? Okay. In. Let me submit. Correct. Provide the preposition is senior me. Senior me. Correct preposition here. To. Let me say to and submit it. Correct. Preposition used for clock time. Is 5 o'clock. Okay. For clock time we use? Sure. That. What follows congratulate in I congratulate you your success? Here you have to think for a preposition, correct preposition. In, on, at, with, by, through, for, since, and so and so. Okay, very easy one. Congratulate on. Let us check by submitting. Correct. Preposition for holidays. Easy, he is holiday. Okay, he is holiday. Let me say on and check. Correct. Okay. Quiz show has finished. And out of 35 questions, I have given the right answer of only 33 questions. Accuracy 94.3%. Excellent mastery. Now I would like to generate my certificate from here. Let me generate my certificate. Yes, this is the certificate. Okay, this is the certificate generated by the system. Okay, and here I can save it as PNG image. हामी प्रिपोजिसन क्विजको अन्त्यमा आइपुगेका छौं र पक्कै पनि यहाँहरूले यो क्विजमा रमाइलोसँग सहभागी हुनुभयो होला र यदि यस्तै खालको क्विजहरू आफूले चाहे अनुसारको क्विजहरू जेनेरेट गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने यहाँहरूले मसँग सम्पर्क गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ।